Joanne is supermom and needs her van to take the kids to school, sporting events, work, vacations, everywhere. To keep her amazing van reliable, Joanne knows she needs to find the right mechanic she can trust. At the first shop she visited and explained the problem to, the mechanic said you need a Husma to circulate the hemoglobin and then fill it up with liquid gold, because if you don't, you'll run to a building full of puppies. Don't you like puppies? Well, then save the puppies and pay thousands to fix your van. Joanne politely says, I think I'm going to get a second opinion. The next shop was clean and everyone was smiling. She approached the mechanic, but before she could even explain the problem, he blurts out with excitement, I can fix anything. I've been working here for days. Now how do I open your hood? Joanne likes the enthusiasm, but really needs someone experienced. She politely says, I just want to check out all my options first. She visited a third shop and was pleasantly surprised. The owner said, if you need brakes or preventative maintenance work, that's all we'll do. Nothing more, nothing less. And we'll make sure you fully understand why your van needs any repairs we suggest before we do them. Joanne remembers how great their online reviews were. It's an easy decision. She schedules a service and is confident she found the right shop for her van. We can be that shop for your amazing vehicle too. If you have any questions, give us a call and talk to one of our friendly auto repair experts today.